Hi guys, good morning. Drake has a new Ultraman Kaiju toy for today.
It's Gabadon A.
It's a white dolphin. Gabadon.
It's Gabadon A.
Gabadon A. What happened to the Gabadon Zero?
There's no zero.
Oh, there's no zero. How about Ultraman Zero? So can we see it up close, the Gabadon? Ooh, it looks like a ghost. Ooh, it's a ghost dolphin.
Oh yeah, he does.
Mm-hmm.
The card.
And there's a card. It's a number 204. Oh, so this would be a remake or something. What else?
Spider-Man.
Oh, it's
He's dead.
oh my god. Is it? Wait, that's Marvel.
I want Mighty Max.
And then it's Mighty Max. It's Scorpion something.
Another one.
It's a Mighty Fly. I mean Mighty Max.
What do you mean, Mighty Fly?
Hey, that's a fly.
It's open.
Then
Another fly.
oh, it's a baby fly. Where's the maggot? There's no maggot?
What? There's a spider in.
I don't get it.
It's a spider fly.
Spider fly?
Here's a Spider-Man. And here's a spider.
I thought it's supposed to
robot.
be an Ultraman Kaiju toy showcase, whatever.
I don't know, but Gabadon
What happened
has
here?
Spider-Man.
Spider-On? Pulveron?
Spider A.
May I see the Gabadon again?
Here.
So we can see Gabadon here. It's spooky eyes. So deep. I think he never sleeps. Then that's
He always
his
sleeps.
hind legs or feet, whatever that is.
That is not
Then it
legs.
looks like a dolphin because has a dorsal fin. And his tail is pointy.
It reminds me of Chalk.
Who's Chalk?
Chalky. Wait, isn't
Chalk
that...
we use in the blackboard or what?
Wait, something reminds me of this guy. It's this.
And that's the second evolution. That's Gabadon C.
No, this is not Gabadon
Who's that?
C.
It's Marshmallow Man.
No, it's an Ultraman Tiga enemy.
Ultraman
I think-
Tiga Marshmallow Kaiju.
No.
Anyway, this one is a totally damaged Kaiju toy.
This
See the
tail's
tail?
destroyed.
Still been bitten off by a kid. I don't know, maybe it's still Drake who bite it or
No.
what. Oh no, you're not bite it off. Oh, no.
We got this at
Okay,
the donut
okay.
shop.
The donut shop where? Krispy
No.
Kreme?
No,
Crispy Grease?
Christy or not.
Crispy Grease?
What?
Yes.
There's no Gabadon C. Gabadon C was a lie.
Oh.
There's only two.
And what's that? Gabadon 2?
No, that's Gabadon A.
Oh, we don't have a Gabadon B yet.
Yet.
Yes, yet. We
Yet.
don't have. We don't have Gabadon B yet. B yet. B yet?
What do you mean yet?
B yet?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What's that?
Stewie Griffin.
Stewie Griffin as a kaiju? Really weird.
I got Ultra 7 but weird.
No, that's not 7. That's
21.
Ultra 721. He's just 21 years old. What?
What?
So that's
How old?
Ultra 721, 721. What the heck?
721.
You
so
said
it's
Ultra
721 years old. This is not Ultra 7.
What's the? Oh my.
Here's another Stewie Griffin.
What's his name? Drake?
I forgot, but I know it.
Starbeam? Starbeam? Beamstar? Penguin?
The other Starbem that is original is
Starbembi.
from Ultraman Jet. This is the Ultra 7 one.
Jabambi? Bully Boy? What's the other two? The new one.
Yes.
It's the Mafia.
Oh, here's the Mafia.
Oh, it's Elion Mafilas.
And
And
Coconut Head.
what's that? What's his
Zara.
real name?
Zarara.
Zerberberry?
What?
Zarab? Ultraman Zarab?
No.
What?
Zara.
Zarab?
Zara.
Alien Zarab. Why is that? That's an alien? I thought that's a coral monster.
That is not coral.
Oh, really? X what? X.
The normal X. Where's the normal X?
I don't know. You're the ones playing that, not me.
I only got this one. Or this one.
Who's that?
Gamora. Gamora.
I thought it was the Cyber Gamora.
X Gamora.
No, that's Cyber Gamora.
Oh, that's no the other one.
Oh my god, you're destroying your toys. That's not cheap.
Chips.
So, it is supposed to be the end of the video. Okay, guys. That's the new Kaiju Drake. I mean, that's Drake's Kaiju. What? Ultraman Kaiju. Wow. Anyway, that's Gabadon
Ultraman
A.
Blade's our enemy in the first Ultraman enemy.
Oh, okay. So, it
Not the
reappears.
not really the first Ultraman enemy, but the first Ultraman
Oh.
enemy.
Okay, so that's the end, guys. Bye, guys. Let's see Gabadon again. Gabadon.